what I did was I ran down the field, and I was a winger, and I'm left-footed, and I crossed in a ball for my striker, and she scored this magnificent goal. And this flame just went, and I went, that's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. That's the feeling that was going to drive me to keep playing this game. And I really, really, really can't emphasize enough that if you find something in your life that lights you up like football did for me, you've got to persevere in it. No matter how bad you think you are, if it's driving you every time you wake up and every time you go to bed, then that's the thing for you. And so when I turned up at the next session and the next session, I just kept thinking, I just want to keep doing this. I want to keep doing this. It's so much fun.